so welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I don't have a appropriate introduction for you. As you can see, I'm still in my pajamas. I'm just happy that I remembered to pick up my vlog camera. I'm still trying to get back in the swing of things, but today I'm bringing you guys with me as I set up for my niece's first birthday party, which the theme is a first trip around the sun. Y'all, this wall is absolutely gorgeous. It is so full and plush, and it's gonna go perfectly with the theme, like clouds, flower clouds. So gorgeous. Look at these flowers. Look how pretty. All right, so right now we have the table set up over here and the stands for the sides. We're gonna get it put on the stand. There's one more box I need to open. Excuse me, Polo. There's one more box I gotta open and see what's in here, and then I'll be back once we start putting it up. So that last box had a third piece that is smaller than the others. So this is my crossbar here for my backdrop stand that I just showed you guys. So I'm gonna try and, or I'm going to go ahead and get it set up on here so we can put it up. Before I prop y'all up, I want to show y'all how you're gonna put it on your pole. So it has pockets in here, and it also has these that you can use to tie it to something, I guess. So those go all the way across the top, and then you're going to connect the pieces together using this Velcro. So that has Velcro on it here, and then this side also has the same thing, the ties as well as the Velcro, and then the pocket. So there are multiple ways that you can hang this, and then the third piece that is over here has it as well. So I'm gonna go prop y'all up and get it on the pole, and I'll be back. Just in case you missed it, this backdrop is from Rose Morning Flower Wall. I have a link and a discount code in the description box for y'all. So getting the wall up on the poles was easy, but this was not meant to be a one-woman show. This flower wall is a very well put together, and it is pretty solid, so I had to call my mom in for backup. As you can see, she's not dressed as well. We had been busy all morning cooking, and I made desserts that I'll show you guys later. So yeah, that explains why we look crazy, but this wall was super easy to assemble and get put together. All right, so now the back is completely closed in, and it looks good. So over here there is a slight gap, but I'm doing balloons, so balloons are going to be covering up this side, and there's also this extra piece over here that I showed y'all that I did not use, but I think this is perfect. And each box also came with some extra flowers, so if you ever lost any, I will say we had a few like these fell off, but it's so lush that you can't even tell, so I'll save them. But they come with, so I have 3 bags of these because each box had extra bag of flowers in there. All right, so this is a full unobstructed view of how the flower wall looks. It is absolutely beautiful, y'all. It is so lush. I mean, look at these details. This is wedding vibes, but I decided to go with this all white one because the theme is first trip around the sun, and when you think about sun, you think about clouds. So these are our flower clouds. How beautiful, y'all. So we're going to be putting the treats in front of this table here. So now that that is done, I'm gonna show you some of the other little details that we're doing today for my niece's party. The theme, as I think I mentioned earlier, is first trip around the sun. So we have moons, clouds, stars, suns. So yeah, I made treats. I'll show you how those came out. I should have filmed that part, but we're doing, I have like literally, what starts at 3, I think it's probably at least 11 at this point. So now I have to go try to get the balloon garland done. Polo, I'm talking. So now I have to go try to get the balloon garland done. Oh, I look crazy, y'all. I'm gonna try to do intro looking halfway decent, but I'm about to go try to get the balloons done. That's gonna go around the backdrop over here because I didn't use the extra piece that came with it to make it wider, because we really didn't need it that wide. So I'm just gonna go and roll. I'm going to put balloons on this side. I'm trying to figure out, this is so pretty. Really doesn't need balloons, but I'm gonna do a few. But I'll check in with y'all later. We're gonna have a jumper that's gonna go up over here a little later. We have the tables and chairs. If you remember the baby shower I did back here in my mom's backyard, this is who the party is for. So she's one now. So it's just like a simple, my mom covered up some pillows with some more colorful stuff. Tables are just white tablecloths, white chair covers, and then this kind of sequin runner. What's my dad talking about? That matches that tablecloth up there. Same thing over here on this side, y'all. My job was treats and balloons, so we don't have centerpieces because I wasn't really focused on that part there. And then up here on the deck we have two more tables. I ordered these treats off of Etsy. They are so cute. I'll show you the variety we have. So we have a cake that has one. This says first trip around the sun. Then we have an actual rose gold sun. This one has her name and the number 1. We have a planet, a rocket ship cookie. I love the marbling detail. And then a star that has like planet type texture, and then a moon. So pretty. And then I DIY'd, y'all, some cake sickles that have a moon, and I did like these sprinkles. That was a cosmic theme mix, so I had stars and things like that in there. And then I used rocket ship and planet molds and these sticks. I'll link all this stuff that I used below to create these, the molds and everything. And I just add these here for a little razzle dazzle, because I also have my sequin backdrop, but I don't know if I'm gonna have time to put it together. Rice Krispie treats, I just use that cosmic mix because again it has like the stars and the theme in here. We use a star cookie cutter. And then this was a store-bought cake for her, what's it called? You know, the little cake the kids have. So I bought this topper on Etsy that says Michaela's first trip around the sun. I put the same sprinkles that I used on these treats onto this cake. Added the little disco balls things here. And then yeah, so this is her actual cake for everybody to eat. It has like a little planet. It's just a regular sheet cake, you know. And then I'm gonna make some drinks later. I'll show you how that turns out. But I have these straws here that I ordered, these plates. These are for the drinks as well. It's rock candy. I think I need these. These are my balloons. I need to take those with me because I'm about to go do balloons. And yeah, so once everything comes together, it's a real simple DIY home party, which I love. So once everything comes together more, I'll show you guys later. But I'm about to go blow balloons. Oh no, my battery's finna die, so I'm probably gonna have to start blowing without y'all, but I will pick back up as soon as I get a little bit more charge. Bye. All right, so this is what I did while I was away. I'm about to start putting them together. Alright, so I think I reached a stopping point. We're outside. I hate doing balloons outside anyway. They get so messed up really quick, so I'm not going to put too much effort, but I think this gives a nice little pop to the backyard. Added the stars. I also want to make these large ones look like planets. I have some silver 260s, and I'm gonna try to blow up and put on there. So if I get that done, I will come back and show you guys, but for right now, this is where I'm gonna leave it at. All right, y'all, so this is what we have so far. I still have to go get the chip bags. I'll show y'all what those look like. This is what the planets turned out like. I just used the 260s and put them around a few of the balloons here, you know, to give that outer space effect. Got some stars. I want to try to do this while it looks good, because y'all know the sun isn't out today, so that's a good thing. But I love the planets, and it coordinates so good with the signage. Didn't get a stand for this. My mom says she thinks she has something that'll help prop it up. And these are the desserts. I think I showed y'all earlier, but here's another look at the Rice Krispie treats I made. These I ordered, but they are so beautiful. The design, the details are just amazing. Look at the moon, a planet, a rocket ship, a star, but it has textures of like a planet. So cute. This is a little DIY birthday cake. I took a store cake, added the sprinkles that I used around the outskirts, put these on here, and then this is the cake topper I ordered. And then over here are my cake sickles, which I'm super proud of. And this is the design on them. And I'll link all the stuff I used to create these down below. If you have a different theme, you can always change out those. Another look with the chip bags. Those are for the kids' tables, yeah. These are the chip bags I ordered. It says Michaela turns one with planets and rocket ships. And then on the back it has, you know, a little fun, thank you for celebrating with me on it. So got those. And then I have some more over here on this side. And we have to finish bagging the rest of them. But I want to just get this out of the way. So when people get here, I'm not trying to vlog.